Hello everyone. Welcome to GrayMatter's Airport Analytics A Plus Solution Demo. A Plus is a comprehensive business intelligence for key decision makers across the airport business, primarily designed to provide the airport with all the necessary and relevant data after detailed analysis in a user-friendly manner to enable them to take appropriate decisions. The solution offers a bouquet of airport-specific dashboards and reports with over 400 KPIs and measures. This repository is expanded and enriched on a continuous basis by way of our understanding of best practices followed in various geographies, airport segments, and end-user suggestions. This role-based analytic application is designed to help complete spectrum of the airport business across different functions like finance, operations, commercials, HR, infrastructure, ground handling, and marketing. Today, we'll be focusing on GrayMatter's unique approach to dashboarding with its 4W concept of identifying problem statement or opportunity. John is the Chief Commercial Officer of a leading global airport in Europe. On any given day at office, he has to straddle multiple priorities to ensure that business goals are met. Non-aero revenues are his primary concern, and so no wonder he gets alarmed if his revenue metrics are off target. John was browsing through the summary dashboard metric on his handheld when he noticed a drop in the total monthly revenue compared to the previous month from the land-size concessionaires, which had dipped considerably. A quick glance at the revenue scorecard dashboard indicated that the overall decline in sales could be attributed predominantly to a sharp drop in DFS revenues. John quickly drafted a comment on the dashboard and dispatched it to David, his reportee and head of DFS business. David, head of DFS business, pored over the dashboard for duty-free shops and noted that revenues for 2 out of 3 terminals had declined. He immediately inserted a comment on the dashboard for Albert and Pam, who were the respective business manager for Terminal 1 and 2. He wanted them to perform a detailed analysis for their respective terminals and get back to him with a problem and suggestions for resolution. Amongst the two terminals, Terminal 1 was better off, so the issue was given for Pam, who was in charge of Terminal 2. Ben observed that the sales for Terminal 2 had dropped dramatically in the current month. Pam navigated to the dashboard for sales by airline and found that 3 of the 5 airlines had a degrowth in sales compared to the previous month. These 3 airlines were traditionally high revenue earners, and so Pam drilled down for a deeper analysis of this and have click on one of those 3 airlines for in detail understanding. She clicked on Air France and found that the flight AF3634 was showing lesser sales as compared to other flight, and upon clicking on AF3634 she found that the sales of some product categories, namely liquor, tobacco, confectionery and jewelry had drastically declined for this particular flight. She quickly clicked upon the flight gate revenue dashboard and got into the operation data in terms of gate allocation for this particular flight and found that there were 2 gates which were in red, which was allocated to Air France in the past. These gates in red were far away from the duty-free stores. This was probably one of the reasons why sales had dropped drastically for Air France flights. Pam quickly moved into the store size optimizer dashboard. A quick perusal of the KPIs of the duty-free stores told that they were delivering a below par sales per square meter. The duty-free shops at other terminal were delivering greater sales and healthier metrics. Maybe a quick alert to the store management was required so that they get back on track, or perhaps a closer look at whether to renew contracts with the store owners or not. On a different note, how about targeted advertising and promotion in the airport terminal for the identified product categories like liquor, electronics, perfume, and cosmetic? This linking of commercial data with operation data help both commercial and operation team to work in more collaborative manner in achieving a common goal, that is airport profitability. Pam shared her thoughts with David. Based on her detailed examination of the problem, they had consolidated the available information, performed root cause analysis for the problem, and envisaged probable remedial actions. Pam tabulated their findings into a presentation and submitted to David. In conclusion, the dashboard that we just demonstrated covers the principle of the 4 Ws: what, where, when, and why, with the complete range of activities related to any international airport of the world, giving the Chief Commercial Officer a bird's eye view as well as comprehensive analysis of all the key KPIs related to airport commercial area. It is expected that when the user arrives at the end of navigation, he would have identified the pain area or locates an opportunity for improvement, as the case may be. He will be in a confident position to address the issue effectively. Thank you for your time.